Hi there, I'm Michael, that's Erika, and we would like to show you a new partner dance called We Are Believers. This dance is adapted from the line dance I'm a Believer. I wrote it myself. The dance belongs to the song I'm a Believer by the Monkees. Let's start with the steps. Start in 3-part position. And section 1, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Section 2, side, together, step back, hold, back rock, and rock forward. Section 3, side, together, step, hold, rock forward, and rock back. Now, on the next two sections, in the line dance version, we do a diamond-shaped full turn to the right, and now on the partner, we split down this full turn into an open turn, traveling forward, line of dance all the time. Section 4. Step right, together, step, turn, hold. Now we are in the into position, facing outside line of dance. The next 4 is the diagonal back, together step back, hold, both looking backward, line of dance. On the next 4 counts, we release our left hands and raise up the right above man's head with side, together step, hold, and for the last 4 steps to complete the full turn, traveling forward is the hands staying up over the lady's head, and we are going back into the 3-part position with step, together, step, hold. The next section, step, lock, step, hold, and a step, half turn, step, hold. And for the last 8 counts, another step, half turn, step, hold, and a step, lock, step, hold. That's a complete dance. Let's do all together with the counts. 7, 8. Side, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hold. 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 The line dance has an easy take. This take happens after round 1, 3 and 5. We will adapt this take to the partner version. It's so easy and it's fun. We now, after round 1, the take happens the first time, we release our right hands, raise up our left arms and do 4 quarter pedal turns. Step, turn, step, turn, step, turn, and step, turn, back into 3-part to continue the dance. If you like to snap, like on the line dance, feel free to snap. Thanks for watching, have fun, and see you on the floor, somewhere, sometimes. Bye bye.